Hi class, so what I thought I would do today is just show you how to put items into Microsoft Word for your one running document for your digital portfolio. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Word, get a blank document. Okay, so say this is going to be my digital portfolio. I'm going to put everything in this one running document. Okay, so first, we're going to have a title page. Okay, so then you can scroll on down to the next page. Got a little too far here. So here, maybe you're going to start your putting your midterm documents in here. Okay, so I had a question about how do I get that into Microsoft Word. So I'm going to see if I can just open up something and see if I can find some things I can put in here. Let's see. Let me go. Here is creating the digital portfolio. Okay, so this is a separate document from this one. Okay, so I want to put this in my digital portfolio. So what I can do, I can just copy and then go to my other document and paste it if I want to. But say this is an image or something, then I could use the print screen key, which is on your keyboard. It's labeled PRTSCR. So PRT, and it's actually like a PRTSCR. That is the print screen key on your keyboard. Now, I am on a laptop, so I would have to actually press the Alt key and the print screen key at the same time. If you're just on a regular computer, I think you just press the print screen key by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down a bit as far as the zoom so that I can see everything, and I'm going to do the Alt print screen key on the keyboard, and now I'm going to go into my running document and I'm going to hit the paste button. And then what it does is it takes exactly what's on my screen and capture it as like an image. So I can use this if I want to. I just then need to go up here to the Format menu and go to the Crop button and click Crop. And then I can drag it just to grab the document by itself, like this, and this. And then I can, stretch it out. But that is, a couple ways to actually put items into your running document. So then I go down to the next page right here, and maybe this is going to be your Word projects. And I put those in there, and then I go down to the next page and I go too far. This is going to be, say, my Excel projects, and you might want to label it like exactly what the name of the file was or something. Go down to the next page, and maybe this was your PowerPoint, go down to the next page until you get everything in there. Maybe your last page is going to be a photo, things like that. So, and then you're just going to save the entire document wherever you want to save it. I'm just going to put something here. And I'm just going to name it Digital Portfolio. And my name. And then you are going to go, after you get everything in there like you want it and save it, then you're going to save it again, and I think I saved it in documents. I'm going to save it as a PDF. Okay, And once you save it as a PDF, that is actually what you're going to upload to issue.com, the video that I posted, so that it will make it into like a flip book. Okay, so I hope this helps, but if you have any questions at all, please just feel free